Hello. Today we're going to talk about how we can add some visual interest to our mimic by adding a reflection to a gauge in the Mimic Designer. Let's go to the tab marked Toolbox, and we'll move down to the section called Gauges. And let's bring out a radial gauge. I'll use the adorners to make the control a bit bigger. It's important to note I already have some live data updating, so I'm going to bind this first control to the property so that its reflection inherits that binding. We'll do a copy and paste, and I'll reposition the controls on the design surface. Let's make sure that the control that's going to be our reflection is highlighted, and we'll move to the top of the screen. First thing I'm going to do is resize it a bit so that it's smaller. Then we're going to flip it horizontally. Right-click, scroll down to Rotate to 180 degrees. Then I would like to slant my reflection a bit, so let's move to the top of the screen again and find the option called Skew. You can see you can move it a few different ways. Now let's move to the Properties tab. Ensure that the Advanced box is checked. We can change the flow direction. And now we're going to make it a little bit lighter, so let's change the opacity. Now we're ready to save our mimic and view it in the runtime. For more information, please see the Mimic Designer Controls reference, section 13.10. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you soon.